As part of our commitment to optimizing talent and building a strong internal pipeline of educators, CCSD now offers middle grades and special education teacher residency programs. Selected participants gain hands-on classroom experience while earning a full-time salary, receiving college credit for on-the-job learning, and progressing towards full teacher certification and placement in a CCSD classroom.
Before this, I tutored in elementary school like a couple of years ago. It was like kindergartners, first graders. That was the only experience. Other than that, I didn't have like an education pass. I have enjoyed my time in this program because I've noticed a growth in myself. Just being more confident in teaching and being able to explain things to children has really just boosted my confidence a lot.
Being a science teacher, never really thought in my mind. You could ask me 5 years ago if I want to be a science teacher, I would say no. But now, like, just figuring it out and then also just going through the program, I'm like, let's do it. I'm learning how to be more dominant and more prepared and talk in front of people. And I feel like that's, just with kids itself, is a big step with that, because if you can get the kids' attention, if they can all have their attention on you, I'm telling you, like, it builds blocks from this.
This program is basically a bridge that's helping you to become a teacher. My kids had a hard time learning in the classroom, and so I wanted to be somebody that can become that world. What I want out of this program is to become a better teacher, be somebody that hopefully I can change at least one person's future.
I have been wanting to be a teacher for a long time. It's just that I've been having issues trying to stay focused and stay on task with it. With this residency program, it helps me believe in myself, and also I have other people to support me who's been in my position. With students, I have to work with scaffolding, and with scaffolding, I gotta make sure that the student is able to have their right materials to help them push along to their grade levels. With this kind of program, it actually helps you while you're in the field and help you get that teacher degree that you need. It's also employee-based, so as long as you're in Clark County, it makes it easier for you to actually get your foot in the door, and you'll also be able to hopefully be guaranteed a job when you get done.
I want to thank Clark County for this opportunity, because you don't have many other programs that they would be willing to pay for, and it's going to help me better my future. I would say that this program is a great experience. If you're looking to make a change in someone's life, especially like with education, I would just say go for it.
Become a part of our team, make a difference, and begin your journey to becoming a classroom teacher.